Hi, let's create or export a video out of a presentation. And what do we need to do that? We need a presentation. Either we are going to create a new one or we are going to use the one that we just used or created recently. And we need a presentation program like Microsoft PowerPoint that should be installed on a personal computer. It could be a desktop or a laptop or even your smartphone. Let's do it. I will open PowerPoint here, and I am going to use a file that I created recently. This is the one I am talking about. We could go straight to exporting this, but before we do that, let's try to add transition for the entire slideshow and choose your favorite one. I'll go with flip, and you could also change the effect options. Right here, you have effect option. You could flip from right or from left. I'll go with from left. Next, we could say apply that to all, and the duration could also be changed. You could make it longer or shorter than 1.25 seconds. And you could also include sound. It's all up to you. Pick a sound here among the available sounds. In my case, I want to do any inclusion of the sound and click apply to all. Let's go for animations. We'll try to use only, for example, one. I will not do that all throughout. If you like to include animation, you have to do that on the slide to slide basis unless you have a template that has a predefined animation already. I'll try to use animation here for the first slide only, platform. And regarding your start, you might just choose this one after previous. That would be a good option. The duration is zero point 0.5. Again, you could always change that. I'll go with the next part of the slide, this one. Choose shape, for example. Go ahead with the same option after previous and with this one. I'll choose wheel and it's saying you're going to have this kind of animation. It's all up to you. Just showing to you a variety after previous. And so that's it. We could try this slide only. This is the current slide so that we could see. That's how it works. I did not do the clicking because I used that option for animation after previous. Now, exportation. We are not going to use save as, but we are going to use export. We click export here. One of the options available here is create video. That's the one that we are going to click. And there would be options here for creating a video. You could use full HD, that would be the good resolution already, or you will go higher than that. You have here the Ultra HD, that's 4K, and you have to remind yourself that if you choose this one, this would require a large file. If you get contented with the full HD already, or go lower than that, lower than the full HD, the 720p, that is equivalent to 1920 by 720 pixels, or go to the lowest resolution available here with the smallest file size and lowest quality. I will stick with the full HD. The next is you could change also the second span on this slide, change it to a value greater than 5 or lesser than 5. It's all up to you. I'll leave it as 5 and I will just proceed with a clicking of the create video. And here you have to specify where you want to save that. There might be another one here existing, but you could overwrite that, or you go somewhere else. Let's say I'll go to Drive E, and I'll just save it here at the root of Drive E with the same file name as the file name of the slide, and proceed with the clicking of the save. Then we'll just wait for the creation to finish. It's all here. We could focus our attention here. That will take some time. It will take minutes because our presentation contains 56 slides. I'll just wait until the creation of the video is done. Now we are done with the creation of the video file. Let us check it where we save it. Using our file explorer, let's go there. Drive E. I save it at the root. We have here the platform technology is an MP4 file and the size is that much 345 M. To play this, double clicking. So we get already a good video out of our presentation. That's how you create a video out of a presentation using Microsoft PowerPoint. And we are done already. That's it. I hope you learned something. Till next time, God bless you.